What's up, world? I figured I'd make a video since not one efan video was showing me that this right here gets stuck on the entryway, so you kind of gotta cut that off with some snips. So I'll show you in a minute. I already got one in. I gotta get the other one in. I paid $50 for this harness. Does the same thing as all the other ones that are $150, $200. So yeah, I do got to get it tuned, but I'll show y'all how it looks at the end. Okay, and that's how it looks. Yeah, I know it's supposed to be a blue wire, but that's how it came in from the manufacturer. Pretty good to me. So the way I mounted it up, there's a little plastic bracket that comes on here. I'm not sure what it's for, but I mounted two right here, and by default this third one will hang on. Easy wire access. Alright, now let's go to the top. So the top looks like that. You got the positives going into here. I notched out a little. I can't get it out, but let me see if I can flop the screen. See a little. Damn, I did a little overkill on that. The wires are tucked in right here that go into here, and this is the ground. Grounded it straight to the frame. If it don't come on, I'll probably have to take that off and sand that surface down a little bit, but for sure I recommend putting the pins first. Don't try to mount everything and then put the pins, because this harness is a little almost accurate on where everything goes, so there's no slack, there's no room for playing. So do the pins first and then work from the pins from everywhere else.